Our founder, Kelty, made it his mission to get newbies into the backcountry with minimal fuss and maximum fun. It takes an amazing pack to bear his name, and the new Asher Women's is that pack. The Asher Women's features an advanced perimeter frame specifically designed for a women's body, with a shorter torso plus a narrower padded shoulder harness. Our FitPro adjustment system and adjustable load lifters gives you a customizable fit, and our AmpFlow ventilated back panel helps keep you cool on the trail. The Asher pack is also a storage superstar. In addition to the roomy main cargo area, you'll find dual water bottle sleeves, a large zippered accessory pocket, and a special spot just for your sleeping bag. Plus, a stretchy hip belt pocket just for your phone and other essentials. Side compression straps keep your stuff locked down tight, and special loops keep your trekking poles secure. The Asher Women's Pack from Kelty, your gateway to a greater outdoors.